Good afternoon, everyone.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
So, this question is for you.
Yes.
What is your name?
Uh, my name is Hasan Zaki Pangestu. You can call me Hasan.
How about you?
My name is Kaisar Ali Muhammad. You can call me Kai.
Where are you from?
I'm from Setu, Bekasi.
How about Hasan?
I'm from Cibitung.
Which school do you guys go to?
We go to Mitra Industri Vocational High School. We're in the same school.
Yes.
Now, let's talk about reading. Kaisar, how often do you read for fun?
Not really. I don't like reading for fun.
How about Hasan? Do you read for fun every day?
Maybe 3 until 4 times in a week.
What kind of thing do your friend like reading?
Maybe a manga or something.
How about Kaisar? What was the last thing that you read online?
Maybe I read some theory to learn Japanese language.
Have you read any emails today?
Game notification maybe.
How old were you when you learned to read?
Sorry?
How old were you when you learned to read?
Maybe when I was 5 years old.
How about Hasan? Could you read when you were 6 years old?
Yes, of course.
Now, Hasan, please tell me about something that you enjoy reading.
Maybe read a manga or something like education.
Was it interesting?
Yes.
How about Kaisar? Have you read a good book this year?
What kind of good book? I don't really like to read. I just read what I learned, just for study.
Now let's talk about the internet. Hasan, what can you learn on the internet?
Maybe tutorial how operational robot or yeah.
How about Kaisar? Can you learn English on the internet?
Yeah, sure. I would like to learn English in internet. It's more interesting.
Do you prefer using a phone or a computer to go on the internet?
If I want to watch movies, I prefer use computer. But for daily, I use my phone.
For Hasan, do you prefer using your phone to go on the internet?
I prefer phone because it's more simple.
Now it's for Kaisar. How often do you chat online with your friend?
Every day, I have a lot of friends.
Do you use the internet to speak to your friends every week?
Sorry?
Do you use the internet to speak to your friends every week?
Yes, of course.
How about Hasan?
Yes, same with Kaisar.
What do you like doing most on the internet?
Watching movies and listening music.
Now, Kaisar, please tell me about something about what you like doing on the internet.
I'd like to watching movies, watching motorsport, listening to music, and learn for other language.
Is the internet a good way to watch film?
Of course.
How about Hasan? Have you ever bought something on the internet?
Yes, in 2 years ago, I bought running pants in online shop.
Now, in this part of the test, you are going to talk together. Here are some pictures that show different holidays. Do you like these different types of holiday? Say why or why not. I will say that again. Do you like this different type of holiday? Say why or why not. Alright, now talk together.
Me first.
Hassan, do you like go to the beach?
Yeah, not really like it because uh, the weather. Yes.
You don't like hot weather?
No.
Some people like to go to the beach, and they are laying on the sun, under the sun. They are like to tanning their skin. Why you not? Why you don't like it?
Yeah, because can make your skin to be a dark. Maybe.
You don't like dark skin,
Of course.
so you don't like people
Yes.
that have
Uh,
dark skin.
uh,
Okay, sorry.
how about you, Kaisar? Are you like hiking?
I like it, but I don't know if I do it every month because go to hiking is so tired. I don't even like it if the mountain is too high, too tall. Yeah, like that.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Lanjut aja dah, cukup.
Yeah.
Cukup.
Kan
Kamu ya,
minimal
Pak.
1 menit. Do you think for Hasan, do you think lying on a beach is boring?
Yes. Because we not go in another place. It's very boring.
How about Kaisar? Do you think having a holiday in the mountain is difficult?
If you go with my family, if I go with my family, it's more difficult because I have my dad. He's already old, so hiking is I go to the upper of the mountains is kind of difficult for him, and I have siblings also. I have younger sister and brother. It's kind of dangerous for them.
So, Kaisar, which of these holiday do you like the best?
I like beach. I like beach because the views. I like the views. I like the sunsets in the beach.
And you, Hasan, which of these holiday do you like the best?
My best is hiking because in the peak of mountain we can amazing view.
Thank you. Now, is it more fun to have holiday with family or with friend, Hasan?
I think more fun with friend because we can talk more enjoy than with family.
And what about you, Kaisar?
I like to go with my friends and holiday, but I have to spend my time with my family also. So I like both.
Do you ever feel tired after holiday, Kaisar?
Yeah, of course. Especially if I go to the mountain, it more make me tired. So why I like beach? Cause it's not like reaching up of the mountains.
And you, Hasan?
Of course, tired.
Why?
Ya capek. Udah berapa menit sih?
10.
Udah tuh, udah lama banget.
Thank you. That is the end of the test.
Dia ngomong thank you pas lu baru
Ya udah ngomong lagi aja, ngomong lagi.
Apa?
Ngomong thank you, ntar di-cut aja gua. Tutup lagi.
Thank you. That is the end of the test.